Ensure that you securely back up and store the device QR code associated with your camera, as it is crucial for future configurations or modifications to the network settings. If you need to change the Wi-Fi network or reset the camera, you can quickly retrieve the saved QR code data to facilitate the process. By default, audio recording is turned off for privacy reasons, but you can enable this feature if you wish to capture sound along with the video footage. You can also configure the date and time settings, ensuring accurate timestamps on your recordings, and select your preferred date format for easier readability. Additionally, you can enable cloud storage for recorded footage during the free trial period, allowing remote access to your video recordings for added security. Finally, personalize your device by entering a name and designating its location within your home or business. Once these settings are configured, you can access live streaming from the camera, enabling real-time monitoring of the area it covers.